Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. For this video, we're gonna be trying on all of this month's Boxycharm products for the month of April. I'm gonna be showing you each product in this month's box, along with reading each price that is on the back of this card. So let's go ahead and get started. The first product is this Festival palette by PEACELOVE. It is really beautiful. Let me show you the inside. Obviously I use this for today's look, but here are the colors. They're so beautiful. You have your shimmers up here and then some bold colors, and then you have these two glitter colors. So this is a perfect little mix, and every time I have used the PEACELOVE products in Boxycharm, it has never failed me. Super cute, and this palette retails for $36. Also, in the packaging that the palette came in, it came with a little primer, which I didn't use for this look, but I thought it was really cool to get a little sample. It is their Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. So I'll be trying this out next time. I totally forgot when doing the video because I had it in the box. So I just wanted to mention that. So if you do have this box, look inside because you have a little sample size. The next product I received was from Artist Couture, and this is the packaging. I got the shade Purple Dream. This highlight retails for $27. The next product in the box is these Luxie brushes. I already used it, of course, so that's why it's like sticking halfway out of the packaging. But the packaging is super cute. It has the festival vibes. This is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. This retails for $28. I absolutely love when Luxie brushes are in Boxycharm. Every time that I receive Luxie brushes, I fall in love with them. They're so soft. They're really great quality. The next product I received are these Lashaholic lashes. I'll show you the lashes throughout the video because I have them on right now, but they're super lightweight and flirty. These lashes are in the style Instaglam, and they retail for $14.99. The last product is what I have on my lips right now. This is the Holographic Lip Gloss by Appeal Cosmetics. And it's just a clear gloss with holographic glitter in it. And this retails for $21. This product alone is the cost of the whole box. So this whole thing is a steal. I highly recommend Boxycharm, especially if you're trying to grow your makeup collection. It lets you try out new products. So yeah, I really love Boxycharm. Oh, and the theme for this month's box is Peace, Love, and Boxy, and it kind of has like a festival kind of look to it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look using this month's Boxy products, then please keep on watching, and you guys know the drill. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start off with the Festival palette, just because we're doing the eyes first. So let's go ahead and get into this. This palette is so freaking beautiful. I'm thinking of doing the glitter. Like, this glitter is screaming my name. Definitely the pink. So I think I'm gonna do like a colorful festival look using the pink and that glitter, and we'll see what we'll get with this. So you already know that I prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my regular routine. For the transition shade, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this color right here. It is called Epic, and it is just a warm brown shade. It's kind of like an orangey brown tone shade. And I'm just picking it up on a fluffy Morphe brush. Now I'm going to be using one of the Luxie brushes that came in the 3-pack, and then I'm going to be picking up this pink shade, and this is called Wild Child. It is super bright and neon pink, so I'm super excited to see how this works. It already looks super pigmented on the brush. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the crease. Oh wow. They weren't playing. This color is super pigmented. I thought I would have to build it up, but look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the corners. I kind of want to make this like a halo eye. This brush is not really meant to really like blend out. I'm trying to use a light hand to blend it out, but it does a really good job of packing. There we go. It's starting to blend out a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with that brush that we used for the transition, and we're just going to kind of help blend it out a little bit. There we go. Looking cute. And since we're doing a halo eye, I'm just gonna leave that part like it is because we're gonna go back and put a color on the middle of the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we'll get into the lid color. Let's go ahead and apply the lid shade. I'm gonna go ahead and take this glittery, beautiful color. It is called Fireworks. I thought that would be a really perfect color to put right in the middle because, you know, I can't pass up the glitter. It is too beautiful. Let me swatch it on my finger for you. Look how beautiful and sparkly that is. We're gonna go ahead and put this right in the middle. This has a mix of like pink and gold glitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me grab my glitter glue real quick. So I grabbed my glitter glue. This is by NYX. I love using this for all my loose glitter. Even though this is a packed glitter, it still can fall off your lid. So you want to make sure that you have a glitter base or some kind of base holding it. And then I'm going to go in with the Luxie brushes that came in the 3-piece set. This is like a flat brush. So I'm going to pack on the glitter with that. So first is the glue. I'm gonna pack it on with a flat brush. And we're just gonna put this right in the middle. Now grabbing that Fireworks shade. Oh my goodness. Excuse my phone. Wow. That just like ties the whole look together right there. I'm excited too because I haven't done a glitter in a minute. I love doing glitter looks. So beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye as well. I am freaking loving this look so far. Super festival, super fun. I am living for this palette. So moving on to the next product, I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes, the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. These are super cute and flirty. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm loving the packaging with this. The style that I got was Instaglam. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put these on. I'm gonna mascara my lashes and curl them, and then we're gonna go ahead and pop these on. Sissy's just waking up from her nap, so don't mind her. Yeah, let's go ahead and put these babies on. All right, so lashes are on, and I went ahead and just finished my face because we're just focusing on the products for Boxycharm. So I'm gonna go ahead and smoke out the bottom lash line with the color Wild Child to mimic the top. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna grab a small little definer brush. Now I am gonna take a little bit of the Fireworks glitter, the same glitter we used for the lid, and I'm just going to put a little bit right in the middle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Morphe setting spray before we get into highlight. And that brings us to our next product. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I'm so excited to use this. I've never tried Artist Couture before. You guys know that I use my Wet n Wild, and I would say that this is like a dupe. Let me show you the packaging. Oh, the shade I got in the box was Purple Dream, and it's basically a gold with a reflex of purple. Let me show you. It is so beautiful. I swatched it. It is just so sparkly and glowy. So here is the packaging. I heard so many great things about Artist Couture, and I'm super excited that this is in this month's Boxycharm so I could try it out. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop this on the cheeks. It is so gorgeous. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you. That's what it looks like on the finger. And then, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. I live for a golden highlight, and I don't know if you can see, but it like has like a hue of purple. Add another layer. There you go. So yeah, it has like a hue of purple, but it's very, very subtle and light. But if anything, it's more golden. This is so beautiful. I hope it looks really, really good on. So let's go ahead and try it out. And I'm gonna be using the Luxie brush in the 3-piece set, the 512. So we're gonna go ahead and pick some up and tap off the excess. Okay, let me build it up. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, I can see the hue of purple. So pretty. I love that it's gold, but then you turn your head and then you could just see the purple. It is definitely blinding. This highlight is so freaking beautiful. I am loving the way this is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with the Morphe spray again. So the last product in this box is the holographic lipstick by Appeal. It is just a clear gloss with holographic glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and also some NYX lip liner. This is in the shade Pinky Rose. I'm gonna kind of do like an ombre lip with this. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this, blend it a little bit, and then pop this on top. Okay, beauties, this is the finished look using this month's Boxycharm. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. If you would like to join Boxycharm, I will put the link down in the description. So that way, if you were interested in signing up, it is $21 a month and it is a steal for how many products and the worth of the products that you get. So yeah, I am loving the way this turned out. It is so festival and glowy and fun. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, beauties.